this video, I'm going to show how to change out the radio. This customer brought me this LT, this being an 05 LT. It's got all the auxiliary stuff, you know, mic, all that kind of stuff. Anyways, I guess the radio unit on this particular LT is pretty much shot like most LT radios. So he picked up from, I don't know if it was from eBay or what, but anyways, he picked up one, and I hope for his sake it's a better radio. I hate to have to charge him for something that doesn't work right, but anyways, looks like you got the wiring loom with it. So I'm going to change this out. Now, do that here by, you got to pull off this cover here. You got to pull off the trunk part itself. So there's, you know, your usual Torx headed screws here. They're all around it, and that this part should come off of here. So we will get after it here. I don't know about you guys out there, but I personally cannot stand the LT radio. I have a Bluetooth radio now in my helmet. So on my particular bike, my LT, I don't ever use the radio. I can care less if it works or doesn't. But some people, some customers out there, they do care. They like to have their radio. So anyway, there we go. Alright, now there's a few plugs inside here. Flip this over and you can see the plugs. Let me readjust the camera just a little bit. Anyway, so we got this communication module up here. That's going to have to come off. It's going to have to just lift off. And then we got to get the CD player slash radio module out of here. Push in this little tab, flip this little lever back, and there it goes. There we go. Okay. There we go. Good enough. There's our radio. And there's a little push tab in the back. It's down in here. It's going to look like that right there. You got to push that rubber grommet off of there. Goes. Alright, now lift this thing up here, unlock it, and we should be able to pull the plug off. There it is. So you just got to lift up pretty hard on this. It pulls off, and it'll just lift off of there. So now we need to unhook the rest of the stuff. So you got a very tiny grounding wire right here. There's a little tab on the back right here. Squeeze that in. There we go. Now we just got to get a really tiny, looks like a Torx head. Yep, little tiny Torx head. It's probably a number 7 or something. T8. It's an 8. There's the old one. Out it goes. Now let's put the new one in. The new old one.
Listening to the Subterranean International podcast in Bucharest, Romania. Right before that, new music from James Diamond.
This would help if I pulled out the old screw.
This one is called 2013. We are still alive. New Bosch did the remix, and yes, this is the Subterranean.
So now just reverse procedure on everything you did. Put everything back together. God willing, it should be working. I sure hope it is. For this guy's sake, he really wants his radio to work. Put back on, close this down, there we go. All the connections are made. Okay. Put this bad boy back over. And that's it. So I'm just going to tidy up here, put it all back together. You should be able to figure it out from there, right? Hopefully. Alright, in conclusion of the video, the everything does work properly. Turn this thing on, and it should start playing the little CD player that's in there. Yep. It's all good. And Honey Biscuit, she don't care.